Hello and welcome. One of my husband's favorite Sunday evening meal is a warm and tasty chuck roast. And this is his recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others who might enjoy it. Let's get to the recipe. Here I have a 3-pound chuck roast, and I am going to be very generous with the salt. About a teaspoon of salt per side. I'm going to rub the salt on the meat on both sides. Then I'm going to add a fresh ground black pepper, about half a teaspoon on each side. Next, I will place the chuck roast in a freezer bag, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of broth. You can use chicken broth, beef broth, and even bone broth. Ensure that it is sealed really well. And now I'm going to let it marinate in the refrigerator overnight. If you don't have enough time and you need to cook it the same day, just let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. And I like to place it in a bowl in case the bag has a leak to prevent any spilling. It's been at least 8 hours, and I'll preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be using a cast iron Dutch oven, but you can use any pot with lid that you have at hand. And very importantly, the pot needs to be oven safe. And you can leave it just like that without adding anything else, and it will turn out delicious. But I like to add half of a green pepper in big chunks. You can also use red pepper, and half of an onion also in big pieces. Next, I will cover my Dutch oven with aluminum foil, and I am going to ensure that it is nice and tight. I'll cover it with a lid, but I'm going to leave a little bit of its space without covering it completely. Now it's time to place it in the oven, and we're going to cook it for 3.5 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 3.5 hours and our chuck roast is ready. Let's check it out. If you're using cast iron, make sure you're wearing mittens to carry the pot and to remove the lid. You don't want to burn yourself. It looks and smells delicious. And please wait at least 10 minutes before you remove it from the pot and cut it open. It is super tender, soft, and juicy. I like to use 2 forks to break it into pieces and even shred it. And I need to give it a taste. It is unbelievably soft, tender, and delicious. You need to try this. Don't forget to add the juices on top so that the meat remains moist. This recipe is so easy and simple to prepare, and I'm sure that many people will enjoy eating it. This is one of my husband's favorite Sunday meals, and this is his own recipe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a fabulous and blessed day. See you soon.